longest lightning bolt?
During a massive storm in the United States, scientists recorded something unbelievable. A single lightning bolt stretched across the sky for hundreds of miles. It traveled from Texas all the way to Mississippi, lighting up the clouds across several states. Most lightning strikes last less than a second, but this one was completely different. Fact: in 2020, scientists confirmed the longest lightning bolt ever recorded, stretching about 768 kilometers for 177 miles across the sky.